This is the Paragon keyboard designed by Artemis Design Studios. This is the black and brass version and it's dressed in the GMK Cinder keycap set. Under the hood on my build we've got a 1.6mm PCB without flex cuts, must-haves in my opinion to get a nice full sound without using foams. It's a wired only hot swap PCB with no RGB. The Paragon comes with a polycarbonate plate, but I'm all about metal plates at the moment, so I picked up this aluminium plate as an add-on for my build. For the stabilizers I went with a set of trusty Durock V2s, and for the switches I went with a set of factory lubed new Nixies. The mount on this one is a simple set of 8 adhesive poron gaskets top and bottom in the case, which sandwich the plate. The gasket system does a nice job of softening the typing feel without creating any case resonance. I'm running completely foamless as I'm not a huge fan of a foamy sound profile, and this one really has no sound issues which need covering up with dampening. The case and general aesthetic is right up my street. It's a solid lump of a case with huge bezels, a seamless wedge side profile with the top case sliding down over the bottom case to completely envelop it on all sides. The chunky rubber feet running from top to bottom instead of side to side is actually quite striking, and the gold PVD external weight is absolutely beautiful, featuring the San Francisco skyline with a matching gold PVD encoder knob. This was certainly one of my favourite keyboards of 2023, and it's one of my favourites out of my entire collection to be honest. At €490 for the keyboard and €37 for the extra plate from Candy Keys in Europe, it's certainly not inexpensive, but very much worth the outlay if you're looking for something really premium with a focus on the aesthetic and typing experience. It's absolutely beautiful, and as you'll hear now, it sounds wonderful.